Fearless here. Today we're going to learn how to wash our hands. Oh no, we've done that already. I would like to show you how to wash your vegetables. Not sure how you're washing it, but we just came back from our shopping trip. And basically this is cold water and you can use several things. I personally use vinegar. Vinegar is good for anything to clean in the house. It sterilizes everything. You can use different things if you don't have vinegar in your house. Salt is a great cleaner. You can use baking soda as well in your water instead of vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar, which is very good. And you can use lemons or lime juice. I prefer just using plain white vinegar. I'm putting about a cup of vinegar in here with cold water. And I'm just gonna whirl these around a bit and just leave them sitting here about 10 minutes. Just put them on a cloth. Just rinse them off a bit. I'm gonna just shake out the vegetables. You can also put them, if you have another sink, you can also put them in there or in a colander, but just shake them off. I prefer to air dry my vegetables. Leeks, we have cleaned the outside, but they're also very dirty on the inside, but we will do that, wash them again when we get there. So now you know how to use clean your vegetables. I would suggest don't buy any of these expensive vegetable cleaners. Save your money, put it into organic vegetable, that kind of money, and buy vinegar. Enjoy. See you later. Oh, subscribe. Be fearless in your kitchen.